Okay, so it's unclear what this is. This could be, but that is something that's growing, and so is that. And I'm not sure if that's the Bee Balm. It sure looks like the Bee Balm, but it could also be the Anise Hyssop, and we'll see if that comes up or not. And of course we have the wild strawberry, and we'll see if that comes up and does well as not too. And there's other things planted in here too, and I'm just trying to see what else is going to come up, and if so, where. So we got a little bit more wild strawberry that's going to come up right there, which is exciting. We have another wild strawberry that's going to come up over here as well. And let's see what else we can see over here. There's some manitoba maple weeds kind of trying to take over. We'll see what else happens though. Like, that's definitely a nice wild raspberry. Yeah, it's doing well. It's interesting. There's a bunch of little things that have emerged, and it's fun to kind of find them in the spring, see what's doing what.